James and Ian here, back with more coffee stories with Driftaway Coffee, previewing our cold brew offerings for the month of February.
This month, we are roasting a coffee from Tablón de Goméz. This coffee was collected from smallholder farmers by Caravella in Nariño, Colombia. Colombia is the northernmost country in South America and shares a border with Panama. Nariño Department is the southernmost coffee growing region in Colombia, along its border with Ecuador. This coffee was grown in the communities of Tablón de Goméz and Buesaco in Nariño, Colombia. Caravella Coffee collected crops from smallholder farmers in northern Nariño to build this lot. Caravella has an office in the nearby town of Los Rosales, which taste and decide which coffees get blended to make the lot. Caravella collected crops from smallholder farmers in northern Nariño to build this lot with sweet, dense flavors and confection-like aromas.
That's this month's Bold Cold Brew. For more info about this coffee, visit driftaway.coffee/CGC and follow the links in the description below for our other offerings this month. Thanks for checking out Coffee Stories. Be well, and we'll see you next month.